because I was studying English in high school. I had 2 years of high school. Yeah, because I was going to America House, but I was seeing a lot of theater and in German. So the first few plays I didn't understand anything, but I learned German in German theater and movie houses.
That's how people learn languages.
What?
That's how people learn here by watching TV a lot.
Yeah, yeah. That's,
So you learn a lot of colloquialism that way.
right, and so that's what I learned. That's what happened to me. Like in Hungary, I learned Hungarian. Then forgot I learned. As a kid, I was learning Ukrainian because that was a requirement. Part of the Poland had to agree to have in Eastern Poland to make Ukrainian language to be taught alongside the Polish language. And then when the Soviets came, we had Ukrainian was the official language because we were part of Ukrainian Republic, and also Russian was added. So I learned Russian, and it's funny because when we were sitting there in Hungary and we didn't know who was on first, so to say. I remember writing certificates because I knew at that time I could write in Cyrillic alphabet, so I would write to whom it may concern, saying citizen so and so, giving the name, cannot dig ditches because he has a bad back, and I would sign Vrach, which means in Russian physician, and they normally honored it.
That's so funny.
So the people were very much in demand. And also, in Hungary also, I'm digressing, but it was also funny. We had the problem because the Russians like to go and rob some things, but then finally there was a group of the nurses needed, and there was another room that the Russian nurses had. There were 3 nurses that were sleeping there. As a result of it, it stopped. They stopped any Russian soldiers coming at night and giving us trouble. So it was peculiar. It was very peculiar.